Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a successful pitch with Slidebean, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the purpose of your pitch. Identify the key message you want to convey. Research your audience to tailor your approach effectively. Gather all relevant information and data to support your pitch. Log into Slidebean and create a new presentation. Choose an appropriate template that matches your brand. Begin with a strong title slide that captures attention. Include a brief overview of your presentation's agenda. Follow with a slide that outlines the problem you're addressing. Clearly define the solution you are offering. Utilize visuals and infographics to enhance understanding. Incorporate testimonials or case studies to build credibility. Highlight your unique selling proposition on a dedicated slide. Present your business model and how you plan to generate revenue. Discuss your target market and how you plan to reach them. Include a timeline that outlines key milestones. Address any potential challenges and your strategies to overcome them. End with a compelling conclusion that reinforces your main message. Design a clear call to action that prompts your audience to engage. Review your slides for consistency in design and messaging. Rehearse your presentation multiple times to build confidence. Seek feedback from peers to refine your pitch further. Make any necessary adjustments based on the feedback received. Finalize your presentation and prepare for delivery. When presenting, maintain eye contact and use a confident tone and pace yourself to ensure clarity. Be ready to answer questions and address any concerns after your pitch. Conclude with a positive note, encouraging further discussion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.